Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Stick, 0.77 ounces, single stick, E523. Everyone's favorite for easy, no mess bonding. Goes on purple and dries clear, so you can see where you are gluing. Smooth for easy application. Acid-free, photo-safe, non-toxic and washable. Single jumbo glue stick. Elmer's Products Incorporated is a company rich in history and tradition. Since the 1940s, the Elmer's family of products has developed to meet the ever-changing needs of consumers. They range from a full line of adhesives, arts, crafts, and educational products for children to a complete offering of craft, hobby, office, and home repair products for adults. Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Stick is the #1 teacher brand, a favorite for easy, no-mess bonding. The Elmer's Disappearing Purple formula goes on purple, so it is easy to see, yet dries clear, providing a strong bond. It works well on a variety of school projects, crafts, and decorations. Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Stick goes on smooth and dries fast and colorless. It is acid-free, washable, safe and non-toxic. You can trust your best work to Elmer's. Through years of growth and innovation, Elmer's has proven its long-standing commitment to quality and fulfillment of consumers' inherent need to imagine, build and learn. Elmer's Washable, no-run school glue. Elmer's Washable, no-run school glue is easy to use and stays where you put it. It is safe, non-toxic, and washable, so accidental messes mean easy cleanup. Bonds most porous materials such as paper and cloth, and semi-porous materials such as wood and pottery. Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks. Elmer's Disappearing Purple School Glue Sticks go on smoothly and are great for kids. The Disappearing Purple formula goes on purple, so it is easy to see and dries clear. It is safe, non-toxic, and is a must-have for all students. Elmer's Glue All, America's all-purpose. Click the link in the description to get this product today at the best price.